I'm on to the next step of my KZ900 engine build, and now I have to get these thicker sleeves to fit into this stock KZ900 crankcase cover, and that requires removing some material all the way around on each of the cylinders. And I had taken it to a machine shop, and they were more than willing to take it on, but it was a bit cost prohibitive. It was going to be about 125 bucks an hour with an estimated time of anywhere from 3 to 5 hours for setup and milling. So it's not that critical as far as tolerances go. So I am just getting after it myself with my die grinder and my carbide burrs. So I got double cuts. It would be nice if I had a single cut carbide burr, but this still does a pretty good job. I just have to clean out these teeth periodically. So the way I did it is I die chemmed the top, and then I had all 4 of my cylinder studs in, and I placed the block on the crankcase cover, and I scribed into the die chem as best I could to give me an idea of just how much material to remove. And it has been going okay. Right now I need to remove a little bit more material, but this is essentially what it looked like to do it. So I got that down in there, and I don't know if you can see or not, but it's right there on the outer cylinders is what I got to deal with. So really all I need to do is remove just a little bit more material right there and get the depth right, and I should be able to slip it in there. But I've started a little bit there. I've even got my mark for my depth, so yeah, I still got a little bit more to go. I certainly got to remove a little bit more on the edges there, and maybe even on some of the inner walls too, but I think those are kind of close. So that's what this process looks like. It's not completely unmanageable. It is a little time consuming, but it's saving me a bunch of money, and I've got all the tools for it, so I'm just handling it myself, and just gives me something to do. It's cold outside, so this lets me work on motorcycles. But I'll show some progress as I move along in this. By this point, I've removed enough aluminum that the sleeves will start to go into the crankcase, so I've slowed way down, and I just remove a little bit of material, and then I test fit, and then I go back and forth and until I got the block to seat fully. I was just trying to be careful not to remove more aluminum than was needed to get it to sit down on the upper crankcase. Alright, I've got it bored out. I think I'm pretty good.